Welcome to this edition of Burn Tech University, presented by United States Stove Company. Always refer to your owner's manual for maintenance and operational guidelines. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on this stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you. In today's video, we will show you how to properly replace the secondary air tubes, refractory insulation board, and the KAO wood blanket. For this replacement, you will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. 1. Before you begin, allow the fire to go out, clean any ash or debris out of the firebox, and allow the stove to cool completely. 2. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the retainer bracket screws that hold the air tubes in place. 3. Next, you will need to remove the brackets along with the tubes so that the new insulation board is not damaged when it is installed. 4. Once the retainer brackets are removed, push the air tube to the right, then swing the left end of the tube down and out the door. This can be done the same way for the removal of both air tubes. 5. Once the air tubes are out, lift the old refractory board up and to the right. Then swing the left end down and out through the door. The KAO wool blanket rests on top of the refractory board and should stay in place for removal as the refractory board is taken out. 6. Lay the new KAO wool blanket on top of the new refractory insulation board. Slide the new board and KAO wool blanket towards the right side of the stove first. Lift it up at an angle until it is above the remaining air tubes. Then drop it down so that it is resting flat on the air tubes that were not removed. 7. Reinstall the air tubes and line up the screw holes in the retainer brackets. 8. Tighten the screws holding the retainer brackets in place. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please visit us at www.usstove.com or give us a call at 1-800-750-2723.